ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 2. What is c? Minus 8. We got a value, b value, c value. What is c value? Minus 8. So first of all we will find b square minus 4ac. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8. So this is minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 4 into minus 8 plus 32 into 1. So it is 36. So it is 6 square. Keep it like that. X is given by minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? B is minus 2. Minus b is plus 2. Plus or minus 6 square by 2 into 1, which is 2. 2 plus or minus 6 by 2. So case 1, 2 plus 6 by 2 is the first answer. 2 minus 6 by 2 is the second answer. X is equal to 2 plus 6 by 2, x equal to 2 minus 6 by 2. 2 plus 6, 8 by 2 is 4, x is equal to 4 is the answer. X is equal to minus 4 by 2, minus 2 is the answer. Look at the case 1, factorization method and completing square method and formula method. All the 3 methods, same answer. Just see, look at the same answers. X equal to minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4. All the 3 methods done. In fact, even we have done graphical method also. Even by graphical method also the same answer. So in the examination, if any particular specific method is asked, you have to do it by that particular specific method without any interruption, without any confusion. Whatsoever method is asked, you have to do it. If method is not mentioned, that is your choice to do it. So there are some more questions which we can discuss now. I hope this is clear to all of you. Shall I leave it like this for some time so that you can take a screenshot of this? All this we are doing it, all these recordings are very useful for the students who are going to write 10th class examination in our both states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So these videos will definitely give good information and detailed study. I am just see the same problem, I am doing it by 4 methods. Why did I do it by 4 methods? You have various choice. Whatsoever method is asked, you know how to do it. You have to learn how to do it. So there are few more questions asked in the examination. There are some word problems also there. Let me take some 2 mark questions which were asked in the examination. 2 mark questions which were asked in the examination. For what values the quadratic equation is 0, or find the roots. 2 mark question. Find roots. x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the question given for 2 marks. It is nothing but solve. Am I right? Solve any simple problem, just like that you can do it. Can we try by factorization method? X square, what is the product here? Minus 3. Is it minus 1 into minus 2? Minus 3 into minus 1? Minus 3 into plus 1? Yes. Minus 3 plus 1 is correct. Plus 3 into minus 1 is correct. Minus 3 means this is minus 2x. So plus 3x minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Take x as common, x plus 3. Minus 1 is common, x plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, roots are 1 plus 1 minus 3 is the answer. So 2 mark question, you can do it in 2 minutes time, not more than 2 minutes. So this is the way you have to work out the problem. Copy down this problem. Shall we try one more problem? I am looking at the previous questions, question papers and doing the problem. Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. This is the question. Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation given? X square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. What is the nature of the quadratic equation? This is the question. How to do this question? What is the nature? Means what? You have to see b square minus 4ac and just check up whether it is positive or whether it is negative or whether it is 0. So let me compare it with the original equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? Minus 8. What is c? 16. So what is b square minus 4ac? B square means minus 8 whole square, minus 4 into 1 into 16. This is minus 8 whole square is 64, minus 64, this is 0. So we got b square minus 4ac is 0, therefore we can say that the roots are real and repeated. Look at the question. What is the nature of the roots? The nature of the roots is that the roots are real and repeated. This is the question given for 2 marks. Suppose you don't do it by this way, you do it by any other way, you differently go by. You can see this as x square minus 4 into 4, am I right? Minus 4x minus plus 16. So you can even try this way also. X square minus 4x plus 16. So take x as common, x minus 4 as common, x minus 4 is 0, x minus 4 into x minus 4 equal to 0. Look at this, is it x minus 4 whole square is 0? X is equal to 4 repeated, x equal to 4 is repeated. So what is your conclusion? Nature of the roots is the roots are real and repeated. Like that you have to conclude. Wait. So the same question you can do it by completing the square method. It is as it is a square. You can look at this, x square minus 8x plus 16. It is looking like a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. A square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. It is x plus x minus 4 whole square formula directly. You can see that x minus 4 whole square direct formula. That means x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, 4 is repeated. So by that conclusion you can say that the nature of the roots, what is the nature of the roots? The roots are real and they are repeated. The roots are real and repeated. How do you conclude it? Either you can do it by formula method, the roots are repeated, or by factorization method or by direct square method, and you can conclude it. It takes only 2 minutes time to answer it in the examination. This is also an important examination question which appeared in the exam for 2 marks. So, in our next class we will do some word problems which were asked in the examination. I hope you are all enjoying learning mathematics in this video recording classes. All these questions are very, very important which were asked several times in the examination. So, let us take few more examination questions in our next class.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K. Venkana classes, and at K. Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K. Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CACPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CACPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Welcome back students. I am Yogananda, teaching mathematics for class 10 students. We are now at the edge of completion of quadratic equations. We have come to the end of the quadratic equations. We have already discussed some graphical problems, all 3 methods, so many problems, examination questions, 2 mark questions, 4 mark questions, all those questions were covered. So, there are few questions left out which are little bit tough. They are word problems that I am going to cover now in a short while. Before that, let me tell you about the program. Our program is that we are going to teach problems on the graph, on the board, in front of the camera, so for the purpose of the students, those who are going to write the examination very shortly in the month of May in Telangana state. So, I wish that these recordings are very, very helpful for the students of both AP and Telangana state. So, in these questions, in these video recordings, you will be benefited out of the problems, questions, theory, long answer questions, short answer questions, descriptive questions, concepts, all these things are taken care of, and you should be benefited out of this once you understand it. If at all by any chance you missed it in your regular teaching in your schools, this program will benefit you. All that you need to do is you have to take a paper and pen and just try to write the problem from the screen, whether it is a desktop or computer or TV screen, whatsoever it may be, a tab or your mobile screen. All these questions are from your examination papers. So, write the question, try to think on your own. If you don't get any idea, be benefited out of the video lesson, proceed further, listen to the video very carefully, pause it, keep that video screen away from you and start doing it on your own. If you are struck, be benefited out of the video lecture once again. Just go through that, repeatedly go through it. I am just talking a very simple language for the sake of all the students. All these lessons are recorded in English medium because English medium and Telugu medium makes no difference. You can understand it very well. So, I am writing one word problem which appeared in the examination, which happens to be a little bit difficult. A motor boat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometer, a distance of 24 kilometer on a river whose current is running at 3 kilometer per hour, 3 mph. The trip up and back, up and down, otherwise we can say up and back, takes 6 hours. takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motor boat maintained, assuming that the motor boat maintained constant speed what was its speed in still water? What was its speed in still water? This is the question. The question is, I am repeating the question once again for your sake. A motor boat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers on a river whose current is running 3 kilometers per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motor boat maintained the speed constantly, what could be its speed in still water? This is the question. Say for example, this is the river. So I have just drawn a small figure like that. Assume it this way. A river, water is flowing this way. So flowing in this direction. Direction is this. Water flowing direction is downwards. You can see in the figure. What is the current flow? Current speed of the running water, 3 kilometers per hour. That means without anything, you just take and without having a motor boat, you take non-mechanized boat and just come onto this river and just see, you will travel 3 kilometers per hour. That means what? The water has its own current flow. The direction is downwards and the water is flowing in 3 kilometers per hour. So along with the water, you also will travel down 3 kilometers in an hour. But it is our boat is a motorized boat, a motor boat has got its own speed. So in addition to the water speed, it has its own speed. So the trip is that this is point A, this is point B. From A to B, the motor boat has to come down and then it should go down to B and then go up to A again. This is the trip. What is the trip? Start from A, go to B, and then start from B, go to A. Is it possible to go against the water speed? Yes, it is possible. How is it possible? So when you are going down along with water, water speed and motor speed are to be added up. Upstream, going against the water flow, then what happens? Your speed, water speed is against your speed, so you should subtract it. So when you are going with 20 km per hour, the original speed is 3 km for water speed is 3, so 20 plus 3. If you are going against the flow, it is 20 minus 3. So what is the condition given? So the total trip takes 6 hours time. So let us solve this problem. Afterwards I will explain it once again. It is a quadratic equation problem. How do you know it is a quadratic equation problem? Because once we solve it, we will get the answer in quadratic equation form. So we get a quadratic equation, we have to solve it. So assume speed is x kmph in still water. Still water means what? It is like water pond in a swimming pool. There is no flow that side, this side. It is a boundary is there, water is still. So when you travel by in still water, you have got your own speed. Now speed is added up because the water has no current flow. Here the speed is considered to be x km per hour. Downstream 3 kmph given. Am I right? 3 kmph. So boat downstream, going down, speed is, what is the speed? X plus 3 kmph. X plus 3 kmph. Boat going up against the flow of the water. What is the speed? X minus 3 kmph. What is the trip total time given? The trip takes 6 hours time. So how do you do this? What is the total distance between A and B? 24 kilometers. 24 km. So 24 kilometers going down and going up. 24 kilometers going down and going up will consume some time. What is the time to be calculated? So while going down, 24 by x plus 3 hours. Am I right? While going down, 24 by x plus 3 hours. While going up, 24 by x minus 3 hours. Total time is 6 hours. So this is nothing but 24 by x plus 3 plus 24 by x minus 3 is equal to 6. You have to take it this way. After simplification, you get the value of x. So this is the water boat problem. So in this, what I do is, I will take 24 common. 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to 6. So this is 6 will come to left side. What happens? 24 by 6 into 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3 is equal to 6 will come to left side, it is 1. So this is 24 by 6 is 4 times. So this is x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is x minus 3 plus x plus 3. This is 1. So 4 times numerator alone, x plus x is 2x, minus 3 plus 3 is gone. Denominator is x plus 3 into x minus 3. It is x square minus 9 is equal to 1. So 4 into 2, 8x is equal to x square minus 9 on the right. So this is written as x square minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. Because of the board, it is a lengthy problem, I am accommodating it here like this. X square minus 8x minus 9. So the product is minus 9, sum is minus 8. So how do you conclude it? Minus 9 means minus 8, minus 9 into plus 1. This is minus 9x plus x. So we can take it this way. Or else I will erase this portion because this figure is not required here. So the quadratic equation you got is x square minus 8x minus 9 is 0. So by factorization method, x square minus 9x plus x minus 9 equal to 0. Take x as common, x minus 9 plus 1 is common, x minus 9 equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 9 equal to 0. So you will get x plus 1 into x minus 9. X plus 1 is 0, x minus 9 is 0. X is equal to minus 1. False answer because the speed cannot be negative. X is equal to 9 kilometer per hour is the answer. All of you take down this problem. I will explain the same problem once again. This is a very important question which appeared in the examination for 2 or 3 times. Just go through the problem.